Good. Now I make sure my camera's up good enough. Okay. So right now we'll get a live view with some of our weather cameras here. Just a moment. We got that zoomed on in now. Okay. So let me see if I can see myself first. Good evening, good afternoon, guys. I am meteorologist right here. Hope that y'all having a wonderful and blessed day. Here today, right now we are here live here on our noon show here today, doing our noon broadcast. I'm here today. Momentarily to make sure I can see myself. Okay, can I see myself? Okay, so right now let's get a check over with our camera view downtown Knoxville here on Market Square. So we're taking a live view with the Market Square camera here right now. So right now down there in Market Square here right now there in Market Square we can see they are taking down the they are taking down the they are taking down they are taking down the ice skating rink down there because the holidays on ice ice skating rink is almost done. It was done. It closed yesterday, but now they demolishing the holidays on ice ice skating rink. Let me fix my camera though. I feel like I need to fix it a tiny bit more. Hang on momentarily. Here we go. Now it should be fixed now. Okay. So that's a live view down there in Market Square with the holidays on ice skating rink. It has officially closed now. Do you see it? We can see it have officially it has officially closed. But they're working on it right now to get it closed down for the rest of the season. Now we're taking a live view over downtown Knoxville. Here's a live view of downtown Knoxville. We can see we do have some blue clear. Hang on momentarily. We do have some blue clear sunny skies over downtown Knoxville. Here we go. Now that's better now. I'm just gonna hang on momentarily. So that's a live view over there. We can see they got the sun sphere. They do got the sun sphere. That's pretty view. Let me fix my current some. Okay, now it should not be glaring on my TV now. So I have this put up so you can see me. Okay, so right now talk about some nice, wonderful weather over there. So that's downtown Knoxville. Okay, just checking some stuff. Okay. Okay, so that's a live view down there over in downtown Knoxville. Okay. So now let's head over here right now. Let's get checked let's get checked down with the Tellico Village camera down in Tellico down Tellico Village here this okay. Good. Here's a live view down over in Tellico Village right now. Wonderful view over in Tellico Village right now. So we can see over in Tellico Village. We can see the amazing blue clear skies over there right now. Over in Tellico Village, we can see the amazing so we can see the amazing skies over there in Tellico Village. I wonder if I need to zoom out my camera a bit. So you can see me better. Pointing. Yeah. That's what we mature a bit. Now I should have her now. So now we can fix the camera and so hang on momentarily as I fix the camera as we speaking here live on air right now. Hopefully that y'all enjoying your day here today. This is the learning experience doing this here. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. I'll move it back some. Okay, this should be good. This should be good. Okay. Yeah, zoom it in a little bit. Okay, so this should be good now. Doesn't mean war notch. Okay, that's better. Now I can see the view. Is it better now? Let's see. So this view should be better. Okay, so right now you can see that amazing view over there. Right now we can see. Hang on. We'll turn a tiny bit more. Okay, good. Now it should be better now. Okay, good. That looks better. That looks better. Okay, good. So you can see that amazing view over there, over at Teleco Village right now. That's a wonderful view of Teleco Village, which we do have some nice sunny skies. Over there in Teleco Village right now, we do have some nice sunny skies. Over there in Teleco Village. So a wonderful view there. But okay, now let's take a live view over at the hospital camera. In Maryville here this afternoon here this evening. Okay, so here's a live view of the Blunt Memorial Hospital Camp in Maryville, which down in Maryville over at the hospital. So over at the hospital camp in Maryville, we do have some sunny skies over there over at the hospital camp right here today. We do have some sunny skies down there here today. So keep this in mind. Amazing sunny skies that I'm seeing down there, right? That I'm seeing there, right down there. Okay. Okay. So now, let's get to the traffic now. Does he have traffic flowing here today? Okay, traffic. Okay. It should be. Okay, now let's get check with our traffic cameras here right now. Okay. Boom. Okay, good. Now let's go check the traffic now. Okay. So the track let's start over at Hunt Road. Okay, pops up. Okay, good. So here's another Hunt Road. So traffic over Hunt Road. Looks moving pretty good over Hunt Road here this afternoon. The Hunt Road traffic looks moving pretty good over Hunt Road here this afternoon right now. Traffic moving pretty well over at Hunt Road here this afternoon. So traffic there is moving pretty good there here this afternoon. But use caution if you're traveling down the roadways here this afternoon because traffic down there looks moving pretty good down there, down near Hunt, down on down Hunt Road. The airport's that way. The food cities that way. Traffic over Hunt Road looks to be moving pretty good over at Hunt Road here this afternoon. So keep this in mind. Okay. So now I could take another camera view live. Here's a live view over here now. This is a live view over this camera view. This should be the US 129 on Alcoa Highway near the U-Haul place. So So traffic there looks to be moving pretty good there. Traffic there is in the green there. We can see traffic there is flowing really good there here this afternoon here at noon. Traffic there looks to be moving pretty good here this afternoon. Use caution if you're traveling down. You always use caution while you're driving. Now let's get checked with North Shore Drive, okay? No, Topside Road. So here's a view of Topside Road. So traffic over at Topside Road. So traffic over at so traffic over Topside Road moving pretty good. That line moving good. That lane moving good, and that lane moving good. So traffic over at Topside Road. This moving pretty good over at Topside Road here this afternoon. Traffic over at Topside Road looking moving pretty good over at Topside Road. Traffic look moving pretty good there over at Topside Road. There's a truck driving down the highway there as well. Traffic over at Topside moving pretty good here this afternoon. Okay. There needs to be weather coverage. We may be doing some stand up like this. That would be good actually. So traffic where is this at? This was North Shore. So traffic over at North Shore. We're looking at traffic over at North Shore moving pretty good over at North Shore here this afternoon. Yeah, traffic over at North Shore moving pretty good there. Let me see if I can fix my camera again. I want to be angled right. Hang on momentarily. Sorry about the wait. We're trying to figure out a good angle how we can be more in the shot some. Hang on. Ooh, hang on. There we go. Here we go, good. This view should be better. Let's see this view. Then I can potentially move this if I need to. Okay, good. This view should be better. Let's see. Hang on momentarily. This view should be a bit better. It looks better. Okay. Maybe I turn the camera a little bit more. Maybe move the chair. Then I can be right here in the shot now. Now I'm good now here in the shot. So traffic there. So you can see traffic there moving pretty good here. So good. So traffic over there over at Alcoa Highway. Traffic no my bad. North Shore. Traffic over at North Shore moving pretty good over at North Shore. Let's fix the camera one more time. Good. Now this should be better now. Now this should be better, I hope. Now this should be better now, good. So we look right near traffic at North Shore Drive moving pretty good over at North Shore Drive, because we can see traffic there moving pretty good over at North Shore Drive. Traffic over at North Shore Drive moving pretty good over at North Shore Drive. Traffic there moving pretty good over at North Shore Drive here this afternoon. So traffic over at North Shore Drive moving pretty good there. Come on, Tony. As I figure out more. Now I'll just be back. Let's see now. Now let's see right here now. Good. Now move this. Good. Now we're good. Now good. Come on, hurry. Okay, so traffic over. So traffic there, look. So traffic there over so traffic there moving pretty good over there right now here this afternoon. So traffic over at Alcoa Highway moving pretty good over at Alcoa Highway here. Okay. Okay, so now we'll just go to that view now. Let me take that away. Now let's go today with our big view of stuff that we could see here over the next few days. Where am I? Hang on momentarily. Okay. Okay, so we'll be highlighting y'all the GFS model run, okay? So y'all can see it hopefully. Okay, so we can see Tennessee. Tennessee is right here with the arrow where I put the arrow at. So we can see that. Okay, so as we head into so today for Monday clear, tomorrow for Tuesday clear, Wednesday clear. Then here comes our rain on Thursday. Okay, here comes our next batch of rain on Thursday. Heads up, our next batch of rain looks to come in on Thursday. Okay, our next batch of rain comes in on Thursday. Keep this in mind. Okay, our next batch of rain let's be coming in on Thursday. Then through today Friday into today on Saturday. That'll be our next batch of rain. Then it moves out Sunday. Then another batch moves in the 14th. Oh, head on. Wait a second. I see snow. Nah. Hold up. Wait a second. Hold up 1 second. I see snow. Wait a sec. That's snow. I see snow. What the heck? Time to say that? Okay, let's watch this closely because, well, on the next run it could fully change. Now I'm seeing snow. Okay, let's check something else real quick. I started to see some signals of some snow. I think I seen some snow. I started seeing some bit of some signals of maybe some snow signals, maybe. That is some good news. That's some good news. I'll probably start to see some signals of some snow. That's some good news to hear about that. Let me know in the comments if you're excited. We need to watch that closely as we head through that time frame. Let's check another model run. Hang on momentarily. Let's check. Let's check this one. What is? What am I saying? That's also cold temps. might look be promising a little, y'all. We need to watch that closely. Maybe some snow. I've been watching between. Well, but I've seen some signals. Just want to show you all that. I'm the first thing I'm prepared to be on. Just maybe start preparing for that. Maybe start preparing so y'all can be ready if that does happen. Okay, because I won't be the first day I know that does happen. This okay, rainfall accumulation. We can basically go to match the rainfall in the next few days, but hang on a moment there. Let's check this model run of the snow. Starting to see some signals. Maybe some snow. So this one also showing it too. Well, here's the thing. We are still next week could be possible snow next week. Not this week, next week. We have to watch next week a little bit closely to see how all that all plays out, because if you see some snow, because I won't be the first day to know that. Maybe snow day for some of y'all. Maybe, but we need to watch that closely. But I'll be the first to let y'all know if we get any snow, because I starting to see some signals. I'm starting to see some snow signals. I'm starting to see some snow signals through that time frame. That means I'm starting to see some a little bit some snow totals through that time frame. Let's check the icon. So okay, so January 10th, Saturday, January 10th. We looked at some rain showers Saturday, January 10th on Saturday. This one shows a little bit more rain into our Saturday, but this does show some rain to our Saturday. It does show the rain maybe lingering into Sunday. This one shows rain lingering Sunday. Then now let's go back to the GFS model run. Now excuse me. So let's see that. Let's highlight this one more time. This shows potential snow. Those are inches. This is looking promising. Well, check back for updates, because I'll be watching that closely, because we may, well, yeah, but that may be I'm starting to see some signals, but okay. HRRR says so nothing right now, but let's see the high res model. Then I put the high res into motion as totals. The most of the snow as of right now is still in some of those locations, but I'm starting to see some signals. Okay, we're checking a few longer range scale views right now. Hang on momentarily. How far does this go? Here's the thing. We will not know exact totals. We don't know. Next week we shall know more. So okay. So I want to say Tuesday tomorrow, Tuesday the 6th. This model shows a little, maybe a few showers, but sprinkles, but maybe then to Friday, rain showers could start to come in on Friday. Rain showers to start. You see that line? Rain showers going to start to come back in Friday. Okay, the rain showers come back. You start to come in on Friday. On the Friday time during the Friday during the Friday time frame. Okay. This one I want to look at. So rain as we head to Saturday. So rain as we head into Saturday. That's what's rain as we head to Saturday. But then we need to watch this close. Snow possible Friday 16th. That one we need to watch close to the 16th. Here's the thing when I show you all that. Look when I show you all that. Hang on. This one right here. Look. So look when I show you the middle. Okay. I want DFS. Temp. So here's the 24-hour temperature trend, Doug. This is 99% confidence of the lower level of a trend model run. This model run trend to be this shows a trend to be 10 to 30 degrees cooler. This I'm assuming this zone, but this shows some model viewing. We looking at this more ones that we are tracking, and look like that time frame, a possible cool down that time. That is looking to be some confidence on some model runs on that time frame. I need to watch next. I need to watch next week to see if I need to issue a milk and bread forecast for next weekend. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I need to see if we need issue a milk and bread forecast. Okay. I might need to issue I need to watch that closely. I started to see some signals of some snow, but check back for updates. I'm starting to see some signals of seeing some possible maybe some snow as we're heading through this time into the next week's time frame. Monday 19th. That should be okay. Yeah, this model run also showing some snow. Let's say if this one not right, let's say that one be the right one, and I want to go with GFS because typically with experience with forecasting, that means our weather here, we want to look at different different model runs to say, oh, we may get snow next week on late next week on the 16th, a week from this Friday. Next week we need to watch that we need to watch next week a little bit closely. We need to watch next week a little bit closely till next week, because next week could be a possible snow event. Next week though, we have to watch next week closely to see how that all plays out and all that stuff. We got to see if it plays out because we may get snow that we may get like snow maybe. And I will tell you, I'm not gonna say. Sound effects is on. Hang on, Martin. Sorry about that. Fix my earpiece. Hang on momentarily. Yeah, we need to watch that. We need to watch that for that time frame. Well, I have to watch. We need to watch it down to see if we get any snow during that during the time frame. We need to see if we need to see how that plays out, because the different variables about forecasting weather for your recency. One minute it goes no snow, one minute it goes snow, one minute say, oh yeah, we'll get snow. The one minute it goes say, oh, then be no snow. But we need to watch that closely, because like this too, look the 20th. Well, now it's on some possible snow on the 20th. That looked to be a possible southern slider. You can see, look, possible snow on the 20th. Maybe possible snow on the 20th as well, maybe. We need to get that examined too. And we have multiple Sean. And then and this one may so. The GFS go out to the 20th. This one go on to the 15th. Because that could so make us know, but whatever which will be correct, I'll be the first to let you know. This is why I'm doing this right now, to make sure y'all know what could potentially happen as we head through that time frame. Okay. Now let's head back over here right now to the GFS monitor run. Because so I'm watching the potential to see some snow on Tuesday. When is MLK Day? Ooh. Well, here's the thing. We may have, because here are two things we need to watch. We need to watch maybe on MLK week. I'm assuming that's MLK. I could be wrong. Well, we need to watch Tuesday. We need to watch Tuesday the 20th. We need to watch Tuesday the 20th. See how that plays on. Now we need to watch Tuesday. We need to watch Tuesday the 20th. As we head through that time frame. Then we also need to watch that, and then we also need to watch this batch. We might have possible 2 shots to see some snow here this year. It could. Will it stick? That could be the key factor. If we call this week, then we don't want to warm up. And then only a slight change could change our forecast. Only one slight change could change that. We can see like a liquid to water ratio forecasting snow, because like later tonight when we look at it on our 4 p.m. When we look at it on our 4 p.m. show, it could change. When we look at it around 4 p.m. it could change then, and then we can say, oh yeah, okay, we got up to date with that now. So now let me show you this. Okay, let me show you all this now. So here's this. So here's our temperature outlook. This look to be our temperature outlook. So this look to be January 12th through the 18th, maybe in the middle, maybe average temps. Because down to St. Louis, Paducah, down to St. Louis, Paducah, Little Rock, Springfield, Kansas City, and could have above average. We down to Knoxville, Maryville, and the other areas, and Nashville, and the Tennessee area could have normal in the middle, right at average. Could that mean snow? That could be some signals of some snow, maybe. That could be some signals, but just check back for updates. We need to see how this all plays out through that time frame. We need to see how it all plays out through that time frame. Okay. let's see our wake up temperatures from earlier this morning. So earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures from earlier this morning. So earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures, we was around 36 Knoxville, 37 we was around 36 Knoxville, 30 we was around 37 we was around, okay, so my mouse, so maybe I can be more in the shots. Earlier this morning we was around 36 Knoxville, 37 Maryville, Tellico Plains was around 32. Bryson City was around 20. Bryson City was around 28. Williamsburg, Kentucky was around 32 here earlier this morning for our wake up temperature. So keep this in mind. This morning, Maryville was 37, Knoxville was around 36. So earlier this morning was a little bit cold, brisk, and a little bit nippy here. Was a little bit cold, brisk, and a little bit nippy here earlier this morning for our wake up temperatures. So keep this in mind. Okay. Now, do I have our 12-hour weather forecast? I think. Ain't this no? Good. So, ain't this for today? I think it is. Maybe. So here's our 12-hour. Hope it is. So here's our 12-hour weather forecast here today. So for our 12-hour weather forecast, So 11 a.m. was around 50. 1 p.m. looks to be around 58. 3 p.m. 62. 5 p.m. 58. 5 p.m. 58. 7 p.m. 54. 9 p.m. 50. And then 11 p.m. looks to be around 48 around 11 p.m. So keep this in mind. This is our 12-hour weather forecast. So keep this in mind as we're talking about a bunch of variables here with our weather forecast, and then before forecasting on the accurate weather information. Okay, so now let's head over here now. Okay, let's head over here to our highs for today. Yeah, that don't work. Hang on. Save. Here. Drag it over. And good. So, highs today. Highs today looks to be around into the 60s here today. So, highs today, we look to be into the 60s here today. We're going 62 Knoxville, 60 for Maryville, 62 Bryson City, Tellico Plains looks to be around 66, Tellico Plains, Athens, 62 Athens. Today we looked into the 60s here today for our forecasting highs. That basically was that. Okay. Now let's talk about what we can see as we head to Friday into maybe Saturday, but check back for updates because I don't know if we'll see severe weather during that time frame. No, next down. Okay. So during this time frame, I don't know if we'll see any severe weather, but check back for updates. So during this time frame, I'll be watching maybe a potential risk to see some possible severe weather into the yellow hash there, into the yellow hash there Friday into Saturday with a cold front here's the thing. I'll put a question mark for us for Knoxville, Maryville, because will we see any severe weather? That's the main question. Will we see any severe weather? That's what I'm wondering. But I need to watch. I need to watch that a bit. I need to watch that a bit closely. Okay, I need to watch that a bit. I need to watch that closely to see if that indicates us if we have any severe weather during that time frame. So keep this in mind. Okay, that was that. Okay. So as we find more maps, okay, let's set the maps. Boom. Okay, I need to watch that run too. Okay. Okay. As we find our other map, as we find our other map, I go send you to the Market Square camera right now. As we find our other map right now, so I'll watch the potential risks to see some possible severe weather. So check back for updates. Okay. Okay. So. Okay. Here you go. Okay, now here you go. Now let's see our rain chances here for the next 7 days, okay? So. Good. So here's our rain changes here in the next 7 days. So check back for this could change. So here's our rain changes. Today for Monday is around a 0. Today for Monday 0. Tomorrow for Tuesday 0. Wednesday 0. Thursday looks to be around a 30 on Wednesday. Then Thursday night into Friday, rain showers. The 60 on Friday. That means our rain chances start ramping up on Friday. And then Saturday a 30. Saturday looks to be around a 30 on Saturday. And then Sunday looks to be at 10% on looks to be at 10% on Sunday. So keep this in mind. There it does. Okay, got up to that. He's back down there at Market Square right now with the holidays on ice. Ice skating rink, which has officially closed down for the holiday season now. Now time for our 3-day weather forecast. Oh, boom. So here's our 3-day weather forecast for this time frame. This will be our 3-day weather forecast. So today for Monday. Let me move my mouse so y'all can see. So today for Monday. So today for Monday. Today for Monday 6. So today for Monday 60. Today for Monday 62. Tomorrow for Tuesday 65. Tuesday and Wednesday on Hump Day. This will be on 68 on Wednesday. So we go from 62 today to 65 tomorrow to 68 on Wednesday. Well, hello there. Kind of like what we had on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, but okay, good. We got up to there. Here's a live view back down there again. Got to with that. Here you go. Here the areas we're watching right now. So we are watching this potential storm system. Because okay, good. We're watching this potential potential risk down to heads up Paducah, the Madisonville up there. I don't want to say it right now. I won't be surprised if they if like they give us a risk or to see some severe weather for the Knoxville, Tennessee area. I won't be surprised if they extend to us as the cover front moves its way through and we get severe weather. But if they do, I'll make sure I stay up late Friday night if we get any severe weather Friday night. Now that'll be Friday into Saturday. The probability left to be around a 15 to a 29% probability to see some possible severe weather during that during that time frame. Just want to highlight y'all that right now to give y'all a little bit heads up of that a little bit, but yeah. Okay. Now let's head over here. Now. Before we get too out of control doing other stuff. Okay, good. Now So here's our forecasting forecasting lows here over the next 7 days, okay? So here's our make it like that a little bit. So here's our forecasting lows here the next 7 days. So today's low here on our Monday is around. So today's low here on our Monday is around 35. Tomorrow's low on our Tuesday is 44. Tomorrow for our Tuesday. Wednesday's low. Well, hello there. 53 for our Wednesday's low. Wednesday's low is 53. Thursday's low looks to be around 49 for our Thursday's low. Friday's low is around 55. Saturday's low is around 46. And then Sunday's low is around 38. That could be trending colder during that time frame on Sunday. That one our low looks to be a little bit colder as we head to our Sunday. So keep this in mind. Let's find a new view now. Let's go to Ripley's Aquarium. Oh yeah. We did a long broadcast. That's good. Okay, so now I'll probably do it in face. Okay. Anyone? Okay, yeah. Okay, good. Anyone? Okay. You check it out real quick. Sorry about that. Okay, so now let's head over here right now to our forecasting highs here the next 7 days. So here's our you want to see that? Good. So here's our forecasting highs here the next 7 days. Can you all see it? Or already put out a bit. May need to zoom it out a ton, a smidge a bit like that. Can you all see it now? Nah. Maybe a little bit more, maybe. That look a bit more. So that look good. Okay, so now let's go to the day before forecasting highs here over the next 7 days. So as we start our brand new week here this week, teachers head back to school today, and students head back to school tomorrow. Okay, some kids head back to school today as well, but in different districts. So today for Monday, 62. Tomorrow for Tuesday, 65. Wednesday on hump day, 68. Thursday, 68. Friday, 68. Friday 68. Yeah, Friday 68. Saturday 58 on 58 on Friday, and then Sunday, like we train around 48 on then Sunday, like we train around 48 on Sunday. These are forecasting highs here over the next 7 days. Here's a wonderful view down there. Got the tree took down finally. That's a bummer. Now let's see how today, Monday at a glance. Okay. You probably see this better. So here's our today, Monday at a glance. So 7 a.m. was around 7 a.m. was around 36. 12 noon lunch hour was around 53, and then 4 p.m. looks to be around 60 around 4 p.m. Okay. Now let's find out different shot before we send our 7-day weather forecast. Let's do. Let's look over in this wonderful view there. Let's look at that view, which people outside enjoying the day there today. Okay. As we do that, now. Watch that closely. Okay, so now it's our 7-day weather forecast. Hang on as I find it real quick. Then I need to go have lunch. I was a bit late having lunch today. We got a bit to talk about snow. Because then you watch that closely as well. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So here's our 7-day weather forecast. Okay, so move this out of the way. Just move right here. Now, so today for Monday. So today for Monday. 60. No, but my bad. So today for Monday. Look, today for Monday. So today for Monday. Look, today for Monday. Today for Monday. 6. Today for Monday. 60 today for Monday. Tomorrow for Tuesday. 60. Tuesday 64 on Tuesday, and then Wednesday 67 on Wednesday. Wednesday 67. Thursday 68. Friday 68. Saturday 57. Sunday 46. Okay. Thanks so much for watching my weather forecast, my live weather broadcast. I am Meteorologist Brain here. Have a great and fantastic and a blessed rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe. And this is our 7-day weather forecast. Have a wonderful and a blessed day and stay safe. Happy Monday. Hope I get you back here later on this evening. Enjoy. And enjoy the rest of your day. God bless you all.